Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a playlist on Spotify. So guys, first of all, let's just open our Spotify application on our phone, and after we have our Spotify opened, we can tap on your library option right here. Then we can tap on this plus button to start creating a playlist. Okay, then since we want to create a playlist, we can tap on playlist option. Then you can name your playlist right here. For example, I'm going to name it ballad song. Then after we are done, we just need to tap on the create button. Okay, and now the playlist has been created. Then we can add songs to this playlist. We can tap on add to this playlist right here. Then wait guys. Okay, and this is the suggested song for my playlist, and we can just tap on this plus button to add the song like this. And if you want to search for a certain song, you can tap on the search button. And for example, I'm going to search for the song Miracle in December. Okay, and after the song has appeared on our screen, we can tap on this plus button to add the song to our playlist. And after we're done adding the song, we just need to go back. And this is the playlist that we have just created. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a playlist on Spotify. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you at the next video.